Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how you can add music on Facebook profile. So let's jump on it. First open Facebook and then on the top right corner, click on the menu. Now scroll down and then click on the settings and privacy and then again click on the settings. Now scroll down. Under audience and visibility, click on the profile details and then scroll down. Now you can see music. Let's click on add music and then on the top right corner click on the plus button. On the search bar here search for your favorite music and you can add from here. So let's going to add so I'm going to add first one and second one and then click on the back. And under this music tab you can see two music added. So on the right side click on the see all. Now you need to pin the music you want to add. So let's click on the three dot icon and then click on the pin to profile. Now go back to your profile. So this is the way you can add music on Facebook profile. So hope that this video help you out. Thanks for watching.